Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? Hope all are you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our NIEVS home school. This is Sonia Joya, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Now I am going to take BGS class for the student of class 5 student. And our today's topic is chapter 1 C.B.Q question. Look at the board student, and again I am saying our today's topic is chapter 1 C.B.Q question 1 to 4, and our lecture number is 6 and homework number is 4. So my dear students, let's start our today's topic. Chapter 1, our liberation where. What is the name of our chapter 1? Chapter 1, our liberation where. Competency based and structure question. CBQ means competency based question. Full form of CBQ is competency based and structure question. So question number 1. Reza's father told him that within a month of the outbreak of the liberation where the Mujibnagar government was formed. Who were the members of this government? Write 3 things that the Mujibnagar government did. Answer. On 10 April of 1971, the first government of Bangladesh was formed. Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman was declared the president of Bangladesh, but because of his imprisonment in Pakistan, Syed Nurul Islam became the acting president. Tajuddin Ahmed was the prime minister and the other members were Captain Mansoor Ali, Minister of Finance and Planning, and A.H.M. Kamruz-Zaman, Minister of Home Affairs, Relief and Rehabilitation. 3 things which were done by Mujibnagar government are stated below. Number A, played an important role to form the Mukti Bahini in order to conduct the liberation war. Number B, worked for sustaining public opinion. Number C, raised support at home and abroad in favor of the liberation war. Then next, question number 2, girls. What do you mean by intellectuals? Why were the intellectuals killed during the liberation war? Again I am saying, students, what do you mean by intellectuals? Why were the intellectuals killed during the liberation war? Answer. Intellectuals are the persons with superior intellect. Those activities involve mental effort and free thinking. Towards the end of the liberation war, rulers of the Pakistan realized that their defeat was certain. So they planned to deprive Bangladesh of many of its intellectuals. Between 10 and 14 December, many professors, doctors, teachers, artists, journalists and poets were captured and murdered. Many of their decomposed bodies were found in the slaughtered lands at Mirpur and Royal Bazar in Dhaka. In memory of these intellectuals, 14 December is observed as Martyred Intellectuals Day. Okay, my dear student. Then question number 3. What is the highest title for the freedom fighters? Mention the names of 7 Bir Shrestha. What is the highest title for the freedom fighters? Mention the names of 7 Bir Shrestha. Answer. After the war ended, state recognition was given to those who made sacrifices for the war of liberation. The highest award, Bir Shrestha, was given to those who fought and died for their country in the war. The 7 people below were awarded this title for their absolute sacrifice? Number 1, Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir. Number 2, Flight Lieutenant Motiur Rahman. Number 3, Sipahi Hamidur Rahman. Number 4, Lance Naik Nur Mohammad Sheikh. 5, Sipahi Mustafa Kamal. Number 6, Engineer Nur Artificer Ruhul Amin. Sorry, again I am saying number C. Number 6, Engine Room Artificer Ruhul Amin. Lance Naik Munshi Abdul Rauf. Again I am saying these 7 names. Number 1, Captain Mohiuddin Jahangir. Number 2, Flight Lieutenant Motiur Rahman. Number 3, Sipahi Hamidur Rahman. Number 4, Lance Naik Nur Mohammad Sheikh. Number 5, Sipahi Mustafa Kamal. Number 6, Engine Room Artificer Ruhul Amin. Number 7, Lance Naik Munshi Abdul Rauf. Then question number 4, how did the women participate in the Liberation War? Write 5 sentences about it. How did the women participate in the Liberation War? Write 5 sentences about it. Answer: during the Liberation War, the entire country came forward to take part in the war. Especially, the participation of women was given important. 5 sentences about these are given below. Number 1, many women took training and they fought the frontal war. Number 2, women helped the freedom fighters with food, shelter and information. Number 3, women also helped in the war with self-defense and fundraising. Number 4, many women took part in cultural activities and encouraged the freedom fighters in war. Number 5, numerous women took part in nursing the wounded freedom fighters in the refugee camps. My dear girls, again I am saying the question. Reza's father told him that within a month of the outbreak of the Liberation War, the Mujibnagar government was formed. Who were the members of this government? Write 3 things that the Mujibnagar government did. Then question number 2, what do you mean by intellectuals? Why were the intellectuals killed during the Liberation War? Number 3, what is the highest title for the freedom fighters? Mention the names of 7 Veer Shrestha. Number 4, how did the women participate in the Liberation War? Write 5 sentences about it. So my dear student, this is our today's topics for C.B.Q question. And your homework number 4 and your homework is C.B.Q question number 4. This C.B.Q question number 4 will be your homework. Again I am saying homework number 4 and homework is C.B.Q question number 4. This C.B.Q question number 4 will be your homework. So my dear student, I hope all of you students have understood today's topic and do your homework and submit your homework on Saturday. Keep safe. Allah Hafiz.